Hi friends, today I thought to explain you this March month catalog details. We have like very good offers here. Okay, so like Women's Day we have even like a holy deal also we have. So everything we can discuss. So here you have like Love Nature. So this Love Nature Radiance facial kit. Okay, so this is with organic milk, organic turmeric and honey. Okay, made with organic turmeric and honey. So if you spend 650 rupees, so you will be getting 40% offer. So you will be getting for 1019 rupees here. Okay, so here we have like ultimate um, the one lipstick. Okay, the one Stockholm ultimate lipstick we have. Okay, so we have like a three products here. So here these are the colors we have. So this is matte lipstick. Okay, it will stay like 24 hours. It won't smudge and all. Okay, so it will be it will be freshly, it will stay for 24 hours. It's like that. So here this is the lip liner. So these are the colors we have. So if you buy two lipstick, you will get this lip liner free. Okay, so this is ultra creamy formula it is. Okay, so we have good colors also. So if you buy any two lipstick, then here you can choose any one lip liner for completely free. And here we have like this 3D volume gel shine effects long lasting polish we have. Okay, that is like we have two nail polish. One is the ultimate gel nail lacquer, and the second one is the ultimate gel top coat setup. Okay, so when you use these two, you will get one more one free. Okay, and the other one is our new product is the one Stockholm. This is for eyeshadow and all, eyeshadow stick. So this is new launched product. So this is creamy formula and it will stay long lasting for 12 hours. Easy to blend, so we can easily do. So we have like different shades also. So here we have the one eyeliner. Okay, so this will stay like a 24 hours. We have two shades, one is black and one is brown color. Okay, so it is highly pigmented and long wearing for 24 hours, and it is waterproof. So here we have A to Z cream. So this is like we have 10 more than 10 benefits with this cream, and this is 30% off we are getting. So makeup, it will cover makeups, perfect skin tone, correct the appearance of pores. Okay, so if you have more pores and all, so it won't be appear, it will correct and all. Sweat resistant. Okay, and skincare, it will be like all the hydration. It will instead of prime, you can use this visibly awake skin appearance. Okay, protect from pollution, oil free and non comedogenic. So SPF 30 we have. And here we have milk and honey cream. So this also we have good offer. So 729 rupees cream we have for 439 rupees. It is 40% off we will be getting here. So this, like to remove the dead scales and all, it is very useful. So this is like we have Optimal's purifying booster, that is for all skin type, and one more is Optimal's antioxidant booster with vitamin C. So this will be used for all skin type. Okay, so so this booster, orange color booster, if you have very dull skin and all, like to visible, it will give good radiance and all. Okay, so for that it will be useful. So this purifying one, green color, if you have unhealthy habit and all, so this one you can use. So how we have to use means, like you have to take 1 to 2 drops. So you have to mix in any Optimal's day cream or night cream. So if you are using day cream, you can use day cream. Night time you can use in night cream. So you have to mix well and you have to apply. So that is 40% off we have. So we have here Jidani Gold 20% off. So this is, SPF 18. So again we have here we have many products, that is like the one color ultimate lipsticks we have. Okay, so we have here impact eye pencil we have. Okay, so matte lipstick we have, foundation. Okay, peach perfector cream, tarvata so Jidani Gold lipstick and all we have. So makeup brush and all we have. Okay, so many things are there. So as per offer we can take this. So here we have our Swedish beauty complex. Okay, so this is like anti-aging from this is useful for improve your skin condition. Okay, skin condition and all, it will be increased, and it will be 50 mg of blueberry extract. Okay, and 3 mg of asthenic they have taken this. So this we have like 20% off if you take two capsules, sorry, 2 set, then you will be getting 20% off. So here we have omega 3. So omega 3, it is fish capsules. Okay, so 2 capsules are equivalent to 1000 mg fish oil. Okay, 150 mg EPA and 100 mg DHA. So it will be useful for heart improved heart health and cholesterol level, and even for muscles, joints also we can use. So wellness, it will be very useful one, and even for hair growth also it is very useful. Eyes, joint pains, total body, it is useful one. So here we have our wellness NutriShake. Okay, so NutriShake, it is available now 4 flavors. Okay, one is chocolate, one is vanilla, one is strawberry and banana flavor. Okay, so NutriShake, it is high in protein and fiber, reduces hunger and craving, boost energy and focus. So it will be helpful for reduce the weight also. Someone, for weight loss also it is useful, but it's not like just taking this and if you are sitting you won't get weight loss and all. You have to do good exercise also. As per that you can lose your weight. And we have here women's collection. So this one we have for 300 rupees off. So here we have Jidani Gold spray. We have, so it is with Jidani Gold. It is a famous one, and the smell, it will be amazing one. So you can use this spray. So here for Jidani Gold you have 500 rupees off. So Joycey Rose, so this spray you have 25% off. So 1299 rupees spray you will be getting for 975 rupees. So here we have all different spray collections. Okay, so Poses, Jidani Gold perfumed body cream, Loud Up spray, we have Wake Up spray, we have. Okay, so different collections we have. So as per that you can take this. So here we have Hairx Ultimate Repair Shampoo. Okay, so this is for this shampoo deeply cleans hair and helps stimulate healthy hair growth from root to tip for thicker and fuller hair. Okay, so someone want thick hairs from roots, then you can use this shampoo. Okay, so even this mask also, and conditioner also we have. So all these 20% off we have, so you can utilize this. So here we have dandruff shampoo, black shine shampoo. Okay, so color revive shampoo, so Hairx Advanced and all we have. So here we have Love Nature shampoo and all we have. So again for men, hair and body wash is there, deodorant is there. So again here so deodorant is there. Okay, so this is like Be Happy Feel Good shower gel is there. Okay, so this is, you can we have good deal also. So here you can save 199 rupees. Okay, so next we have so Feet Up Advanced crack heel. Someone if anyone have crack heel and all that problem, then they can use this Feet Up Advanced gel. And we have Loving Care cream, multi-purpose cream we have. Okay, sanitizer we have, and men shaving 2-in-1 shaving and cleansing foam we have. So here milk and honey, gold hand cream, body cream, soap bar, scrub, all those things it is available. So here age revive, okay, serum it is available. So this serum you can apply morning and evening, okay. So this is night cream also it is there. So night cream you have to use in night only, okay. So boost your radiance, okay. This is clear white eye cream, lightening eye cream, okay. Someone have dark circles, then they can use this eye cream. So here we have 35% off for this Optimal's multi protection urban UV day shield SPF 30. Okay, so this is useful for all skin types. So now this summer it is a very useful one. And this one is Optimal's Hydra Radiance night cream, okay. So this you can use for normal and combination skin. So now this summer it is very useful one. So here Hydra matte cleansing gel, this is for oily skin, and even facial toner also it is there. This is also for oily skin, okay. So toner, this cleanser unclog and tightens pores, okay. Pores and all it will be tightened. And facial toner it is helps to prevent blemishes. So this is someone want good white radiant skin, okay. This is useful for all ages, all skin type. So it will improve skin fairness and boost skin glow. So someone want fair skin and all healthy skin, then they can use this. So this set there you will get all this set. So if you use skincare routine, then definitely you will get this, okay. So these for Hydra Radiance hydrates thirsty skin. So even this is also Hydra Radiance set, okay. So cleanser, toner, so again you will get eye cream, booster and moisturizer. So all this set you will get, okay. So here we have Nove's Nove's advanced breakout defense emulsion, okay. So this so after applying this eye cream, you can apply this. So again we have so even this is also we have good discount, okay. So it is 1999 one you will be getting for 1399, and Novice blemishes correction, that one you will be getting for also 1199, one you will be getting for 839 rupees. So here we have our favorite Novice Sublime. Okay, so Novice Sublime, if anyone have pigmentation problem, or if you want very good skincare, so they can use this. So this is very perfect one, so you can use for all skin type. So this is a skincare routine you have to use. Okay, so here Novice Ultimate Lift. So this also you'll be getting day cream, cleanser, serum, eye cream and night cream. So you will get if you have any wrinkles and all, this one it will reduce the wrinkles and all. So this one is very useful one. So here we have Novice Ecologen. So we have this skincare routine set. Okay, this is set of 5 full size products: cleanser, eye cream, serum, day and night cream. So this also, like, we have all the offer. Okay, so for men, this is the best cream we have, that is men's set, Novice men's set. So it will reduces wrinkle, okay, skin smoothness and hydration it will give, this men's set. So we can give to our husband and all. Okay, so here we have Love Nature. Okay, refreshing cleanser, toner and face cream. Okay, this is useful for all normal skin. So someone have normal skin type, they can use all these products. So here we have Love Nature Oil Skin. Okay, so for oil skin, the first one, and we have here facial kit also we have, and this is, so we have organic apricot and orange. Okay, Love Nature, this is also last month product. So we have sunscreen also. So it is SPF 51. Okay, and here we have North Men Fairness Face Wash. So Tanner Protecting Balm. Okay, so all those things it is available. So yes, Revive cream is there. So all the skincare sets are all available. Okay, Ultimate Lift, Bright Sublime. So again we have here So this is Power Up foundation on color. Okay, so this is for 279 rupees it is there. And on color lipsticks also it is there. So lipstick all different colors we have. So on color also it is very good one. I am also using this. And this foundation is there. So even I love this foundation. This is very good for daily use and all. We can use this, very nice one. And here we have EGV, everyday great look. So body lotion we have. Okay, Essential Fairness body lotion. So here we have on color nail polish we have. So we have different colors, all shades it is available. So for daily use we have Optimal's Optifresh toothpaste we have. Even for kids this is Optifresh strawberry is there. Love Nature Love Nature powders also it is there. So Sandal, Floral Bloom, Cooling Delight. So Baby Wo, okay, this is specially for baby products. Okay, so newborn baby we can use. Even I am using for Chinnu. Okay, so here we have Baby Wo hair and body wash. Okay, Baby Wo oil multi-purpose balm. So Baby Wo cleansing milk. So this towel will be there. So this is Baby Wo diaper cream. Okay, this is a new launch one. And if you buy any 3 products you will get this hooded towel free. Okay, so even I bought for Chinnu, so I just bought 2 this body wash and multi-purpose balm. So even we got towel. So we have here Glacier. We have new perfumes. Feel the thrilling force of nature. Okay, the thrill of a forging world. So this Glacier we have 40% off. Okay, so even these also very good perfumes, new launch perfumes and all, you can try. And here we have so body wash and body lotions we have for 30% off. And even silk and body lotion. So body lotion is there. Silk Beauty White Glow hand cream is there. So for wholly 45% off is there. Hand cream. So Love Nature body lotion, mint and raspberry. This is shower gel. Okay, this is body lotion. So here we have wholly offer 30% off for Hyrex and all. This is weather resist protecting one. And here we have on color lipsticks, 199 rupees. So here we have Love Nature refreshing face wash. Okay, all skin type it is useful. okay, pomegranate, organic green tea and strawberry. Okay, so all these flavors it is available. So all